Question number 1. This sign means A. Oncoming traffic ahead. B. Two-way traffic ends. C. Two-way traffic ahead. D. Divided highway ahead. The correct answer is C. Two-way traffic ahead. Question number 2. The standard maximum speed on a highway, unless otherwise posted, is A. 60 km per hour. B. 80 km per hour. C. 100 km per hour. D. 50 km per hour. The correct answer is B. 80 km per hour. Question number 3. This sign means A. Steep hill ahead. B. Bumpy road ahead. C. Trucks only. D. Truck parking available ahead. The correct answer is A. Steep hill ahead. Question number 4. As a fully licensed driver, you can have your license suspended after an interview for 9 demerit points. A. If you do not require your license for business reasons. B. If you fail to attend an interview or fail to persuade the interviewers that you need your license. C. If you have fewer than 5 years driving experience. D. Never. The correct answer is B. If you fail to attend an interview or fail to persuade the interviewers that you need your license. Question number 5. This sign means A. Pedestrian crosswalk ahead. B. Four-way intersection ahead. C. Railroad crossing ahead. D. Hospital zone ahead. The correct answer is C. Railroad crossing ahead. Question number 6. At streetcar stops, you should stay at least meters behind the rear doors to give enough space for passengers to enter and exit. A. 7. B. 4. C. 5. D. 2. The correct answer is D. 2. Question number 7. This sign means A. Merge ahead. B. Narrow road ahead. C. Left lane ends ahead. D. Right lane ends ahead. The correct answer is D. Right lane ends ahead.
Are you looking for driving school near you? Did you notice that there are so many schools out there with little or no information about their driving instructors? How do you know which one is good and which one is bad? Trubicars does the work for you. Just go to Trubicars.ca, type in your pickup address and search. Trubicars will show you the best driving schools near you. You can select male or female instructors, select the language for the in-car lessons, and check the instructors' reviews and ratings. Pay online and start right away. Remember, need a driving school? Go to Trubicars.ca.
Question number 8. What does a flashing green light mean at an intersection where left and right turns are permitted? Choose 3. A. You are required to stop before entering the intersection. B. You may go straight ahead if the way is clear. C. You may turn right if the way is clear. D. You may turn left if the way is clear. The correct answer is B. You may go straight ahead if the way is clear. C. You may turn right if the way is clear. D. You may turn left if the way is clear. Question number 9. This sign means A. Traffic lights ahead. B. Hidden school bus stop ahead. C. Pedestrian crossover ahead. D. School crossing ahead. The correct answer is B. hidden school bus stop ahead. Question number 10. If you failed to fasten your seat belt, you could receive a fine and be given A. 1 demerit point, B. 2 demerit points, C. 4 demerit points, D. 3 demerit points. The correct answer is B. 2 demerit points. Question number 11. This sign means A. No U-turns, B. The side road at the intersection ahead does not have a clear view of traffic, concealed side road ahead, C. Right turn ahead, D. No left turns. The correct answer is B. The side road at the intersection ahead does not have a clear view of traffic, concealed side road ahead. Question number 12. When a vehicle is stopped at a marked crosswalk, what should you do? A. Honk the horn to urge the driver of the stopped vehicle to continue on. B. Pass on the right. C. Pass on the left. D. Stop behind it. The correct answer is D. Stop behind it. Question number 13. Motorcyclists can use A. An entire lane, B. A quarter of a lane, C. Half a lane, D. 2/3 of a lane. The correct answer is A. An entire lane. Question number 14. To make sure that you know what traffic is nearby, be sure to check your mirrors about every seconds. A. 5, B. 6, C. 3, D. 10. The correct answer is A. 5. Question number 15. This sign means A. Paved surface ends ahead, B. Broken glass ahead, C. Wet road ahead, D. Highway ahead. The correct answer is A. Paved surface ends ahead. Question number 16. What is overdriving your headlights? A. Unnecessarily using your headlights, B. Using high beams even when they are unnecessary, C. Driving so fast that you can't stop in the distance you can see, D. Flashing your headlights constantly. The correct answer is C. Driving so fast that you can't stop in the distance you can see. Question number 17. This sign means A. Bump ahead, B. Broken road surface, C. Bridge ahead, D. Slippery when wet. The correct answer is A. Bump ahead. Question number 18. A fully licensed driver may be required to attend a meeting for assessing driving ability after accumulating demerit points. A. 6, B. 3, C. 9. D. 15. The correct answer is C. 9. Question number 19. This sign means A. Watch for falling rocks, B. Passing is not allowed, C. Steep hill ahead, D. No trucks allowed. The correct answer is A. Watch for falling rocks. Question number 20. Under normal conditions, how far behind another vehicle should you stay? A. A 1-second gap behind the vehicle ahead, B. The length of 7 cars, C. The length of 5 vehicles, D. A 3-second gap from the vehicle ahead. The correct answer is D. A 3-second gap from the vehicle ahead. Question number 21. This sign means A. You must move into the right-hand lane when the highway ends ahead. B. You may stop in the right-hand lane. C. You may exit if you remain in the right-hand lane. D. You must exit if you remain in the right-hand lane. The correct answer is D. You must exit if you remain in the right-hand lane. Question number 22. When are drivers legally required to use lights? A. Between sunset and sunrise. B. Half an hour before sunset to half an hour after sunrise, or whenever visibility is under 150 meters. C. Between dusk and dawn, or whenever visibility is under 150 meters. D. At no specific time. The correct answer is B. Half an hour before sunset to half an hour after sunrise, or whenever visibility is under 150 meters. Question number 23. If you park facing downhill, you should A. Keep your wheels parallel to the curb. B. Set your parking brake. C. Turn your wheels to the left and set your parking brake. D. Turn your steering wheel to the right so that the front wheels face the curb or shoulder. The correct answer is D. Turn your steering wheel to the right so that the front wheels face the curb or shoulder. Question number 24. People can fail the road test because of A. One or more of these issues. B. Insufficient skill. C. Trouble with obeying traffic laws. D. Making unsafe choices. The correct answer is A. One or more of these issues. Question number 25. This sign means A. Bicycles crossing ahead. B. Bicycles are not allowed. C. No parking. D. No left turns. The correct answer is A. Bicycles crossing ahead. Question number 26. How can you control your vehicle on black ice? A. Calmly release the accelerator and steer towards the direction where you want to go. B. Speed up to get past the ice. C. Press the brake firmly while holding firmly onto the steering wheel. D. Immediately steer to the side of the road while easing off the accelerator. The correct answer is A. Calmly release the accelerator and steer towards the direction where you want to go. Question number 27. What are you required to do at a stop sign? A. Stop and then quickly enter the flow of traffic. B. Speed up and find any possible gap in traffic. C. Stop completely and continue on only when it is safe. D. Stop and then slowly enter traffic when you can. The correct answer is C. Stop completely and continue on only when it is safe. Question number 28. If a pedestrian is still in an intersection when the traffic light changes, who has the right of way? A. The pedestrian. B. Motorists traveling from the pedestrian's left. C. Motorists traveling from the pedestrian's right. D. Motorists making a turn. The correct answer is A. The pedestrian. Question number 29. The driver is planning to A. Turn right. B. Turn left. C. Slow down. D. Stop. The correct answer is A. Turn right. Question number 30. What are some possible reasons for a driver to lose his or her license? A. Failing to attend a re-examination. B. Failing to pay a traffic fine on a court order. C. Any of these. D. failing to pay a reinstatement fee. The correct answer is C. Any of these. Question number 31. This sign means A. Danger, sharp turn. B. Danger, road ends ahead. C. Keep to left. D. Winding road ahead. The correct answer is A. Danger, sharp turn. Question number 32. Drivers are allowed to pass other vehicles on the right side if it is safe. A. On any street or highway. B. If the shoulder of the road is available. C. When a street or highway has two or more lanes moving in the same direction. D. Never. The correct answer is C. When a street or highway has two or more lanes moving in the same direction. Question number 33. This sign means A. Keep right if you want to park. B. Keep to the right lane except when passing, for climbing lanes. C. No U-turns allowed. D. This lane is for right turns only. The correct answer is B. Keep to the right lane except when passing, for climbing lanes. Question number 34. Which of the following cannot be carried in a house or boat trailer? A. Flammable materials. B. Passengers. C. Firearms. D. Pets. The correct answer is B. Passengers. Question number 35. A red circle means A. A temporary condition. B. A warning. C. A prohibition. D. A guide. The correct answer is C. A prohibition. Question number 36. This sign means A. Merge ahead, traffic entering from the right. B. Hidden intersection ahead. C. Stop sign ahead. D. Railway crossing ahead. The correct answer is A. Merge ahead, traffic entering from the right. Question number 37. This sign means A. No left turns. B. Hidden intersection ahead. C. Merging traffic ahead. D. Road branching off ahead. The correct answer is D. Road branching off ahead. Question number 38. The driver is planning to A. Turn right. B. Turn left. C. Stop. D. Slow down. The correct answer is B. Turn left. Question number 39. This sign means A. Do not enter. B. Construction zone. C. Fire hall. D. There may be water flowing over the road. The correct answer is D. There may be water flowing over the road. Question number 40. This sign means A. Maximum speed of 50 km per hour begins here. B. Speed limit changes to 50 km per hour ahead. C. Minimum speed 50 km per hour. D. Speed limit for school zones. The correct answer is B. Speed limit changes to 50 km per hour ahead.